So I do the introduction now?
Yep, it's recording.
Okay. Yeah. Hello, Ted Heads! You may not have seen me before. I am Teddy's younger brother, Freddie. It's good to see you all. Today we're in the garage workshop, day 2. And we got a fun first project. Very excited, so let's get into it. We have some 2x4s and some plywood, and we're gonna make a skateboard grind box. Haha, JK, there's no Freddy. It's still me, I just cut off my beard. These are the plans for my grind box. I'm gonna build the frame out of 2x4s, then I'm gonna space out 2x4s to support the plywood top. For each of the legs, I'll be using 2x4s in an L configuration. The dimensions are based off the wood I already have. I would like to make the box bigger, but this is a low-cost project. For a list of materials and dimensions, read the description of this video. Okay, now it's time to start measuring and cutting down this wood. Again, thanks to my awesome neighbor, I have this bad boy. Let's do this. Time to put her together. Okay, let's get some legs on this bad boy. Okay, these legs are not going anywhere. Okay, the last part of this is applying the skate surface, so let's just screw that in. Now this box is looking pretty good, except it's missing one thing, and that's a grinding edge. So luckily, I picked up this. This is 1.5 inch angled aluminum, and I was gonna screw it on, but then I realized that there would be, raised screw heads. So I think I'm just gonna use some spray adhesive. Hopefully this stuff is strong enough. Yeah, it wasn't strong enough. Like, not even a little bit. So I had to go back and use some real glue. Also, the whole thing was kind of top heavy, so cut a little bit off the legs. So yeah. Okay, here's the rest of the video. I guess we'll just have to find out and skate it. Oh wait, I just noticed this is not done. Almost forgot. Now we're complete. So I think it's about time. You want to see a little skate sesh? Don't make me come over there and do a kick, slip, and nose slide. The moment stuff came out is the moment I started landing stuff.
Lucky.
Yes, you are. Yeah! Alright, so that was my skate session. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this whole video. If you enjoyed this build, comment below. Tell me what you liked about it. And, oh, it's such a beautiful day. Alright, see you later, Ted Heads. I said don't move.